Hey guys, welcome back. So, I just want to give you a little update on how the shed's going. So, right now, we got both of the doors on top, and the ramps. The roof is on, and we got a plexiglass window starting to go up around here. So I'm just gonna give you a little walk around. So you can see this gable end is still open. So that's the next little thing to tackle. Here's the other side. But so yeah. So that's what we've gotten so far. So what I'm gonna do is I got a bunch of pictures and I'm gonna put it in a slideshow like last time so you can see the inside, because right now it's screwed shut because we haven't got the latches on yet and I don't have my screw gun out here. So let me show you how we got this far. Alright guys, I really hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe. I'll see you all next time. Thanks guys, bye.